Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a haul, and I did something that I have not done in a very long time. I went shopping at Ardene's. Check it out. Okay, this bag is actually very cute. And that just is foreshadowing how I feel about all the stuff I found there. Really successful. I actually shopped online, which was great. I think the minimum spend was $50 for free shipping, and I was able to find enough stuff. So I'm gonna dive in. They are having, I think, like a 50% off sale right now, and everything I bought was heavily reduced. So let's start off with these awesome sandals. This is the reason I went shopping there in general. I saw these sandals on an Instagram ad. If there's something that quarantine has given me, it is this susceptibility to be targeted by Facebook and Instagram ads. So these are kind of like a rock stud dupe of the Valentino sandals, and they're so cute. They're so comfortable. I got a size 7 because I've actually purchased flip-flops from them before in this kind of like plasticky style. They're obviously not the best shoe. There is literally no support, but for summer, if you want something light and cute, these are great. They have just a little heel here, and I will link to an outfit of the day where I wore these on Instagram, so I'm very happy. And I think they come in black as well, so check those out. Everything was so affordable. I think those were $11. So moving on, I was adding just a few things at the end to get to the $50 mark. I love when that happens secretly because everything was so cheap. So I got these tights. I got them in black and blue. I tried on the blue and they seem to fit really well. Who knows if they're going to stretch out at all, but I think they were something like $3. So always good to have a few pairs of these for the winter because they're kind of disposable. You know, tights don't last forever. This was my first order, so I think I had gotten an additional 10% off, which was great. I also got $10 off my upcoming order to use until the end of August. So another great thing that they have are masks. Sadly, but surely we have this white mask that I got. I don't love this logo, but it's just very simple, 2-ply polyester, so not exactly breathable, but this is just a good one. I'll probably keep it at work. And then this one was really good. It came in a 2-pack, and it is just so simple. I'm actually gonna wear it today, so I'll try it on for you. Oh boy, I got my eye. Ah, wonderful. Here is my mask. It is literally 1-ply. Will it save me from the plague? Probably not. But this is good to have as like in case of emergency. You know, you're running into a place really quick. You're not going to want to wear this like all day necessarily. I use just like a cotton one for that. The cotton one I made myself actually. I will link to the video below where I showed you how I made my mask. But this one is just so thin, so perfect. I can literally slot it into my wallet and we're good to go. So pack of 2 I think was like $3. They all came packaged really nicely, so I would highly recommend Ardene's. I actually keep all of these resealable packages for travel and stuff, so there's that. Actually, another little tip on packaging. Whenever I have these silica gels, I keep them for my workout bag. And then I use these little papers that come in the tights. I use them for nail polish. So I'll kind of do my nails on here and then it won't get my counter all dirty. And then these from tights as well, I'll use for my maxi dresses. So I'll slot the longest part of my dress kind of in here and then hook this up so that the dress is not extremely long in on my dress rack back here or in the closet. Here I've used the little hook from my nylons to pull up the bottom of my dress so that when I hang it, the bottom does not hang super low on top of my shoes. These are also great for hanging scarves, so I never throw these little things away because I always find a use for them. Okay, so 2 more things here. I got a great bathing suit top. This was actually a purchase at the store because I just bought another pair of sandals, but they were more like Adidas slides, but in a really cute light pink shade, and they were not very good. So they were too wide, so I was able to return them in store. They give you store credit, but instead I just exchanged for this bikini. This is so good. It has these beautiful ties at the side. This is So comfy. I love it. I'm gonna be wearing it to the beach on Sunday, and it fits great. This I think was $18 regular price, so a little bit more than the sandals, but I think it came to around $10 with tax. How good does it look? Hold on. With these bottoms. I got these bottoms from J. Crew. Check out the combo. Oh my god. I've been loving kind of like mix and match bikinis lately, so there's that. Okay, so another thing that I was very hesitant to buy, well, along with everything else, but they turned out okay. These overalls, they're overall shorts. I will insert a video of me wearing them here. How the overalls look, they are size 7. Here is a view from the side, and then here's the back. Underneath, I actually have the bikini top. It is size extra small, and it has that great tie at the side. I just love how it looks. They are so cute. I love the kind of raw hem. The pockets are a little bit weird, the fact that it only has like half a flap here, but overall they're great. They have pockets at the back and the front. The sizing though, it's very funny. So for shoes I bought a 7. I'm usually 7, 7.5. And then for clothes I'm usually about a 2. And I did the measurements because their sizes are like 1, 3, 5, etc. And after doing like kind of like the waist and hip, I looked at the chart and I was a 7 in clothes. I'm like, oh, because that's a little bit bigger than a 2. But honestly, with these accessories stores, don't even look at the number. I actually ended up ordering a 5 and it was a bit too tight. So the size guide is correct online. The 7 fits great, and yeah, so is there size inclusivity? Probably not. I don't know what size it goes up to, but this is like a teenager store, so keep that in mind, ladies. And now for this, I did not get at Ardene's, but check out, this is a t-shirt that I traditionally like wouldn't really wear that often, but with the overalls. How cute is this combo? Honestly, just buying little pieces like this for the summer helps me just reinvent what I already have. So I love this together. I'm definitely going to be wearing it a lot. And that is everything. Oh, I wanted to mention actually, I took the cups out of my bikini, so that just gives you a little bit more room in there because I did get an extra small, but that's always a good hack if you want like a little bit more freedom. But if you do need more smoothing, these are always good to have. So that's everything. A little Ardene splurge. I was really happy with what I got. The quality is pretty good. And I'm happy to support a local, you know, Canadian company like that. It's definitely not made in Canada by any stretch of the imagination, but what can you do? I went into store, I'm trying to kind of do my part in a sense and also save some money because I can't be spending $30 on a few masks. So let me know what you think. Have you shopped at Ardene's lately? Have you gotten anything cute there? I'd love to know. And definitely leave any comments or questions below. Like the video if you enjoyed and follow me and subscribe. I link all of my social media in the description, so I'd love to see you again around my channels. Thanks so much, you guys, and I will see you again soon. Bye!